Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the GE CS20F Smart Body Fat Scale, featuring a sleek tempered glass design, high-precision sensors, and a clear LED display. With advanced body composition tracking, smart app connectivity, and easy step-on technology, it makes monitoring your health metrics accurate, fast, and effortless for everyday use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the GE CS20F Smart Body Fat Scale, 1.5-volt AAA batteries, quick start guide, product features. This smart scale doesn't just show your weight. It provides a deep analysis of your body using BIA technology. It measures key health metrics like body fat percentage, muscle mass, BMI, body water, bone mass, and more. This helps you understand your fitness progress in detail, whether you're losing fat, gaining muscle, or maintaining your body composition. Built with 4 high-accuracy sensors, the scale ensures stable and reliable readings every time you step on it. It can detect small changes in weight with precision, making it ideal for long-term fitness tracking. The strong build and anti-slip design also improves safety and measurement consistency during daily use. The scale connects via Bluetooth to a companion mobile app where all your measurements are automatically stored. Inside the app, you can view progress charts, track trends over time, and set personal fitness goals. It also supports syncing with popular health platforms like Apple Health and Google Fit, making it easier to keep all your health data in one place. Designed for households and shared use, the scale supports multiple user profiles, so each person can track their own data separately. It also includes an athlete mode that adjusts the calculation algorithm for more active users with higher muscle mass, improving accuracy for fitness enthusiasts compared to standard mode. Technical specifications. App connection. Download the Fit Profile app from the App Store or Google Play, or simply scan the QR code provided in the user manual for quick access. Once installed, open the app and create an account by signing up. Complete your personal profile with details like age, height, and weight to ensure accurate body measurement tracking and personalized results. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on before starting. Open the app and tap on Pair the device. Then select the Smart Bathroom Scale option. Step onto the scale barefoot to activate it. From the list of available devices, choose GE CS20F and tap Connect. Wait a few seconds for the pairing process to complete. After a successful connection, the scale will display 0.0, indicating it is ready to use. Step onto the scale barefoot and stand still until all measurements are completed. Your body data will automatically sync with the app, allowing you to view detailed metrics and track your progress over time. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The GE CS20F Smart Body Fat Scale features a 5mm tempered glass platform with an anti-slip base for stable daily use, while the Yunmei M1301-B Smart Scale uses an ITO-coated glass surface that feels slightly more premium and solid, with a heavier overall construction for added durability. The GE CS20F comes with a large 5.3-inch color LED display that shows up to 8 key body metrics directly on the scale for quick viewing, while the Yunmei M1301-B features a smaller LED or LCD display that mainly shows weight, with most detailed data available inside the mobile app. The GE CS20F tracks up to 14 body composition metrics, including body fat, muscle mass, and metabolic data, with 0.05 kilograms or 0.1 pounds precision for consistent readings, while the Yunmei M1301-B typically provides around 10 key body metrics with similar high-precision sensors, but slightly less detailed analysis overall. The GE CS20F connects via Bluetooth to the GE Fit Profile app and supports Apple Health, Fitbit, and multiple user profiles with on-scale metric display for convenience, while the Yunmei M1301-B also uses Bluetooth with its Yunmei app, supports multiple users, and focuses more on app-based tracking rather than on-scale data visibility. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.